In the Bible days, God told Noah to build an ark. How many know about that? You already know the story. He told him how to build it. He told him what to build it with. Huh? And he told Noah that it's going to rain after a while. And a lot of folk didn't pay Noah no mind, but Noah kept on building on the ark. See, when God gives you a mission, you're not supposed to stop. You got to keep on building. They didn't believe Noah, but after a while, the rain started to fall. Noah said, come on in the building, children. It's gonna rain. Come on in the building, children. It's gonna rain. Come on in the building, children. It's gonna rain. Noah just kept on telling them, but they didn't believe it. He said that it's gonna rain. You know what Noah told him? He told him, he said, in the building, children, it's gonna rain. Come on in this building, children, it's gonna rain. Come on in the building, children, it's gonna rain. But they didn't believe no other. He kept on telling them. He said, y'all after a while. Then Noah told him, he said, there's safety in this building, children. It's gonna rain. There's safety in the building, children. It's gonna rain. There's safety in the building, children. It's gonna rain. Y'all ought to put your hands together. Didn't God tell him? Didn't he tell him? It's gonna rain. But they didn't pay Noah no mind. They didn't pay. But you know what Noah did? Noah went and got his family. He got the animals 2 by 2. He got the ox and the camel and the kangaroo. Noah looked at his family and said, come on, it's gonna rain. Come on, children. It's gonna rain. And you know what? It'll rain for 40 days and 40 nights. Dripping and dropping, dropping and dripping. The rain kept falling. Listen here, getting it Think that the rain from the sky is the only rain that can fall. But when you got trouble in your home, that's rain. When you got tears in your eyes, ain't that rain?